Right now, the sentiment score for investing sits at an unusual -0.70, sharply below the historical baseline. This level of negativity suggests a significant shift in investor confidence, particularly when paired with a momentum of +0.41. You might want to explore how this sentiment contrasts with recent trends to identify opportunities or risks. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including nuanced semantic clusters, giving you 20 distinct themes to help you understand the conversations around investing. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategy, allowing you to react faster to shifts in sentiment and potentially capitalize on market reactions before they fully materialize. For more on how to leverage this data, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.